How many ways of cooking do you have? Your jollof rice, how many ways do you cook it? Me, I have like 1,000 ways that I cook my jollof rice. 1,000 ways I cook my fried rice, and they all taste the same, even my soup. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I cook my fried rice. I have different ways of cooking fried rice. I have the quickie one, I have the 10-minute one, I have the one that I put my heart to. You're welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. As always, I am in my kitchen, my tiny little kitchen. You're welcome. To all my returning subscribers, I say you're welcome to our channel. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you always. Thank you always for always coming back to check your girl. Yes. And thank you for always the beautiful comments I see down below. And if you are if you are a new subscriber here, endeavor to subscribe to this channel and put the bell on to notify you anytime we drop a new video. Yes, it's the smile for me. Yeah, I love to smile. Anyway, guys, you're welcome to this channel. Let me come back. Let me bring back my tone. Let me remove that Oyinbo tone. You're welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be showing you another different way which I cook my fried rice. I have million ways of cooking my fried rice. I mean, for you to really be a good cook, you must have different ways of cooking your food. Not only jollof rice, not only fried rice, all your food, do you get what I mean? So I'll be showing you all this one is a posh fried rice that I'm cooking for you guys today. So let's get cooking. Let me show you all the ingredients which I will be using to cook this fried rice. So please stay tuned if this is the kind of content you will love to see. So you're welcome back, guys. So these are all the ingredients which I will be using to cook my fried rice today. I've got my prawns, I've got my chicken breast fillet, the diced and through sweet pepper, the cabbage, carrot, sweet corn, and green peas, my stock. I've washed my rice, it is dry. I will be showing you what I will be doing with it. I've got my dark soy sauce and I've got my sesame oil. So reason why I have all this is I like to use fresh vegetables because I can fry it, not like the frozen one where you can't really do much with it. So let us get right into it and I'll be showing you step by step on how I cook this fried rice. So guys, first and foremost, we're going to be stir frying our chicken breast. So I will also be adding some dark soy sauce, just a little bit. This will serve as the salt and Maggi to it. I will also be adding some sesame oil. I like the smell, it's so nice. But anytime you are cooking for anyone, please be mindful of an allergy. Please ask them if they are allergic to anything, seed, because some people, like my daughter, she doesn't eat egusi because of, I don't know, she's reacting to egusi. So please always ask people that you're cooking for if they have any allergy so that you don't put all this kind of oil in it. So we're going to allow it to get brown, golden brown, because that is what we're going to be using for our fried rice. I'll take them out and I'll also be doing making the prawns to like this. This will take just about 2 to 3 minutes to get ready because prawn doesn't take time. Prawns is ready. I think I like it the way it is. It looks. I don't want it to be too fried so that it won't be too tiny in the fried rice. So guys, I've taken the prawn out and I'm now going to be frying the other vegetables. So guys, this is just the prepping of all the vegetables for the fried rice prior to the cooking of the fried rice. Sorry guys if you can hear voices at the background. It's just that my family, they're out here, you know, doing their own thing at the background. So let's keep going. This is a cabbage which I will be frying. So we'll fry it so that it will be soft, and we'll be adding every other vegetables to it. So next we're going to be pouring in the carrots, the green beans, we're going to be adding Maggi, liquid Maggi to it. The liquid Maggi serves as the salt and Maggi, of course, and I'll also be adding my mixed pepper. So we're going to allow this to fry for about 10 minutes. Obviously, we don't want it to be too soft. So you can see that it is getting soft a little bit. We just want to fry it so that when we cook our fried rice, you can, you know, actually leave it on the cooker or your hot plate till the next day, and it will not get spoiled, because basically the vegetables are, you know, what makes the fried rice spoil easily. So now I'll be adding the sweet corn. So these are what will make our fried rice. I think I'm fine with the way the vegetable is looking. So now I'll be taking it off the hot plate, then we start with our rice. So hang on. If you know you're still watching this video and you still haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel and make sure you like this video, comment and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and definitely I will reply all your comments. Thank you. So for the fried rice, I've gotten my pot. I'm going to be putting in some oil because we will be frying our rice. So I've washed my rice, I've drained the water, and I'm now putting it, pouring it inside the pot. This is how I will make, even if I'm catering for a larger audience, this is the way I will still cook my fried rice. So I'm going to be frying my rice. So fry my rice will, definitely not make my rice spoil anytime I leave it, when I finish cooking it and I put it on the hot plate and leave it out here. And I'll be pouring in some Maggi, just a little bit, because we still have the stock. So I'm just going to be stirring it on and off. I'm going to fry it for about 10 minutes. So consistently I will be frying it because I don't want it to get burnt. So it's been frying for about 8 minutes now. So what we will now be doing is I'll be adding all the condiments. So all the condiments here that I'm adding, you can see I've got the white pepper, the black pepper, the sage, the basil, rosemary, dry thyme, and of course my special seasoning. It's so special to me, I don't think I want to tell anybody. So yeah, that is what I have in here. I like my fried rice to be grayish and not yellowish, so that is why black pepper is very good for fried rice. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what it is coming to. So we're now going to be adding our stock. So I will now be adding our stock inside. So at this point we will be adding all the vegetable inside, so that they can all get, you know, put together. I will also be adding my fried rice sauce. I'm just going to add a little bit, just a little bit inside. I'm not going to be adding much because I don't want it to be too sweet. Then I will be adding my chicken that I had already fried, and of course our prawn. So guys, this is my posh kind of way of cooking fried rice. Sometimes I do put heart of chicken, heart of beef inside, and what again, yeah, heart of beef with the chicken and prawn to make it really look very posh. So I'm just going to cover it a little bit for it to steam. Then I'll cover it with the foil, then I'll allow it to steam. So before I started cooking the jollof rice, this is what I cooked for them to have with the fried rice. So this is goat meat. You guys, you know that I love goat meat so much. This is goat meat. I had fried it and I have dipped it in pepper sauce. So the sauce is just sweet pepper, which is the yellow, green and red, and some scotch bonnet and onions, which I fried, and I have stir fried it with the goat meat, and this is what it looks like. That is what they will be having, that is what my kids will be having the fried rice with, and of course with some salad. I will definitely show you guys the outcome of everything when I am done. So while the fried rice is cooking, I'll just quickly do some washing and get the kitchen ready. So let us check the fried rice. Oops. So hot. Guys, can you see it? This is the fried rice. This is how I love my fried rice to look. Not the yellowish where, you know, people put curry inside their fried rice. Let your fried rice come out natural. Let it have this natural gray color. Yeah, that is what we call fried rice. So with your water, with your stock and your black pepper, your fried rice will definitely come out this way. So it's still a little bit hard, so but we'll just still leave it for it to cook for another, or I'll allow it to steam up a little bit. So fried rice is ready. So guys, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know how you cook your fried rice in the comment section. And how many style of cooking do you have in each food? Please let me know in the comment section. I have 1,001 million ways of cooking different kind of my dishes. So I'll be dishing the food out now, and I will do a presentation for fried rice, the salad to go with it, and of course the goat meat in the pepper sauce. So guys, what do you think? Let me know. This is definitely a party kind of food, something that you will love someone to serve you in a party. It's very nice and very, very delicious. So guys, let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you still haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel and put the bell on to notify you anytime we drop a video. So this is where I draw the curtains for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section what you feel about this fried rice which I've cooked, and please let me know also in the comment section different ways. Have you got different ways of cooking your own food? How many types of ways do you cook a particular kind of food? Please let me know in the comment section. So guys, till I come your way next time, I'll say bye for now. Please stay safe, take care of yourself, and stay blessed.